Hey everyone! So today we're working on a 14 by 14 canvas, and I'm going to be using 6 mini cups and do 6 flip cups. So I do have a mirror here for focusing because when I pull these off I may go blurry. So I just want to let you know that. I'm going to move it back actually and see if I can fill these cups here so you can see them being filled. I picked out some pretty spring colors. I did get a few new colors this weekend while I was out, and I really want to try them, and I'll let you know which ones they are as I put them in the cup. So if you're new to my channel, in the description below the video, you will find my paint mixing video and my base paint mixing video with the recipes. And I just sprayed my cups with the WD-40 silicone spray just to release the paint. Okay, so we will start with a little bit of Creative Inspirations Titanium White. I'll follow that with the Premier Purple Red. You can find this at AC Moore. I'm not sure if it's a discontinued color or not. The last time I was there I did buy it all because I heard it was going to be discontinued. Artist Loft Naples Yellow. This is the prettiest Naples Yellow that I've ever found, so I will be trying to mix that with the Soho color. Master's Touch Persian Red. This is an absolutely gorgeous color, so we're going to try this today. It's kind of a red coral. It's very pretty. And I'm going to go ahead and just hit that with a little bit more white, because I'm going to introduce some blue here. So this is the Artist Loft Iridescent Medium mixed with Grumbacher's Prussian Blue. It is absolutely stunning. The shimmer is so gorgeous. And then we will follow that with the Lucas Permanent Violet. Lucas can be found at Jerry's Artorama online. We'll be doing a lot of reviews for them very soon. And this is the Master's Touch Light Purple. It's really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and give it another round of color. Not quite as much. So when you're doing a flip cup, you don't need to put a base down. A lot of people ask me that. Flip cups and dirty pours, you know, like a controlled dirty pour, does not need a base coat. You can use one if you're more comfortable with having that paint glide, but you won't need as much paint in your cups. And we'll finish that off with this. And I do want to give just a tiny shot of white down the middle. I'm trying to keep this light and dark contrasting, so I don't want to put too much light stuff in there. Okay. And since these are flip cups, we don't need to stir them. I think I can move that aside now. Bring it back in. And I like when it spills out like that. Kind of gives you a hint of what you've got going on. So already our paint is already fallen. So we're going to go ahead and take these off one by one. Pretty, pretty. wasn't sure how that light purple was going to be in here. But I'm not seeing a ton of it, so I think we're good. Let me give that just a quick torch. I forgot to put some gloves on. So I can see a lot of cells coming up through there. And the paint is moving together. We'll just give it a little boost. All right, so I want to turn this way. It's easier for me to see where I'm going here. So all we're doing is tilting the paint together. I like to keep most of it in the middle, so when I head to a corner, it's all coming at one time. And you will see me rock the canvas quite a bit. I'm really hoping all that's going to want to come up when I torch it again. Okay, one more corner. Get my paint back in the middle there. So if you watch me all the time, you know that that purple red is one of my favorite colors when I mix it with yellow. It just like highlights that yellow and says, here I am. Okay, so not digging that, but we'll see what comes up through when we torch. So I got behind on videos, so I'm really sorry that I haven't posted in a couple of days. But we've been very busy here. Very busy with Alan's brother and getting things done. Okay. So I'm popping air bubbles first. And then I'll go back in and bring those few little cells that I can find up to the top. This is really neat here. Not liking that white band, but it may sink some more. All right. Let's let this set for a few minutes and see what develops. Let me move it back out of the glare. There we go. And we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So I did get a few more little ones coming up through here, and this is all going to change as it sits. So I'm going to give you a close-up. There's a lot of movement there in the middle of the painting. So I'm really hoping that this iridescent Prussian blue that is here and here and here and here brings the depth to the painting as it dries. And of course this purple red and the yellow there is what will be our accent colors. This Persian red looks peachy in there, but I like it because it Looks very good with the purple red. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below, click on that bell, and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Check out all our links below. Our paintings are available on Etsy. That link is below. Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. We have a shop on Amazon. We earn a few pennies off your purchases, so that would be much appreciated. Our PayPal link to donate to the channel is there. We do quarterly giveaways for our sponsors, and we have some great prizes. Join us on Monday nights at 9 p.m. And we usually do 4 or 5 paintings. We have a great time. So that's 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Stone Coat Art Coat Resin is available through our link below. Use our code POSSE at checkout and you'll get $10 off a $95 purchase. And our prints are available on Redbubble, and you can also get t-shirts and stuff made with our prints on them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.